Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and market has opened. Okay, and we can see that after the market opening, there was some SL hunting around 332829 area. After that, market showed immediate recovery, and right now market is trading around 3346, 3347. In a previous video from Saturday, okay, we had a small debate in the comment section. Okay, a portion of people were suggesting that market would be bullish right after market opening, and a portion of people were on the bear side, means they were expecting market to go down. Okay, and now we can see that the bulls are winning the game as of now. Okay, but anyways, we can see that there is no drastic change on the structure of the market yet. Obviously, day traders are must be excited right now. The market is bullish, but still we cannot deny the fact that gold is struggling for a direction. Yes, there is no clear-cut direction on the chart of gold yet. We have seen earlier also on the daily chart, gold is sideways. In a sideways market, but number of buyers and sellers are almost equal, and we can see that gold is almost standing at the support zone. Not precisely, but gold is standing at a support zone. So if gold goes up from here, it should not be a big surprise to us, because in a sideways market trades in a range. Gold was almost near a support, so an upside of 20, 30, $40, okay, should not be a big game here. If gold breaks 3400, 3450, that is a game changer. But as of now, we don't have anything crazy or drastic on the chart of gold right now. So if you are a swing trader, if you have a buy on gold, okay, you can hold your buy position with trading stop loss. And if you're looking for day trades, then obviously it will be better and safer for you to stick to the levels. Okay, so right now we can see that the yellow box from our Saturday video has done a fantastic job. Okay, market reversed just from the 3358 area. Personally, market was so bullish, I did not take it. Okay, but many of you have taken sell position. Okay, I saw on the group also that you guys are happy. So okay, those who had a sell around 3358, okay, congratulations. And those who are looking for a fresh position in the market, stick to the levels. Okay, if you are a part of the Telegram community, then okay, you must know what are the levels or where are the opportunities. If you're still not a part, feel free to join the free Telegram community from the link in the description, because if anything crazy happens, you get an update in the community, because every time it's not possible for me to record a video. And be careful also, because there are lots of scams also going on in my name. For example, this is a scam. Okay, this is a scammer with 11,000 subscribers, so be careful. I do not have any investment schemes. Okay, now let's talk about the levels. So as I have already updated in the Telegram community also, the blue box here, okay, 3349, 3346. Okay, this is the new support right now. If you have taken any buy here, okay, you can hold your buy position. If you are looking for fresh position in the market, you can wait for 15-20 minutes and observe the market. If you see market taking support after some time and market shows possibility of going up, you can hit the buy button. And those who have a buy, you can hold your buy position with your stop loss around 3343 area, 3343, 3342. Okay, because the previous resistance will be working as support. And now we can see the market is already showing price rejection from below. The selling pressure is a little bit high. Okay, it was on the higher side. Okay, that's why we are a little bit skeptical. But now you can see the market is trying to take a support here. Okay, already I have taken a buy. Let's see. Okay, I am hopeful the market should take support. If market fails also, okay, market should take support around 3343 area. Why 3343? Because the 200 moving average should provide dynamic support to the market. Okay, but as of now, I'm hopeful the blue box 4946 should be able to provide support to the market. If it fails, then we can look for support on 4341. Let's wait and watch. And where is the next support? See, we do not have any strong support, as we have already discussed in a previous video also. On the chart of gold, the best supports are far away. The best support is around 3300, okay, because of good number of contracts. Then we have a good support around 327075, okay, and some immediate support around 3310. All the levels are very much valid, okay, but the problem is they are far away. And if we observe the recent structure of the market, okay, it is not very reliable. That is a big issue here, okay. So during the day, if market goes up, already we have discussed this support level and also some support around 41 43, okay, this is also support levels. Are they very strong? No, they are not very strong like 3300 or 3270, but right now we can expect some trading opportunity. So if market goes up from here, okay, market has two possibilities: either market will go down or go up. So if market goes up from here, next time or in next attempt, there is a high chance that market will break this yellow box. Means there's a high chance that market will break 3360 and go above it. If it does, we can look for a buy position. But as I always say, my dear friends, always look for some consolidation. If market consolidates around this area and then goes for breakout, then only go for a buy, because a breakout requires fuel, a breakout requires power, and it comes from the consolidation. Okay, so 3360 is an important level. If market breaks it after some consolidation, we can look for a buy. If you are a scalper, we can see we have a high risk selling opportunity on 3367. Yeah, let me mention high risk scalping for 30-40 pips, not more than that. Okay, we are considering this area, same logic. The previous support will be working resistance. Then we have also seen some price rejection around this area. You can clearly see that we do not have any major levels on the chart because the gold is choppy. It is trading in a range for quite some time. So obviously there will be no major levels here. Okay, so whatever we are trading, okay, are some minor levels from the previous highs and lows of the chart only. That's it. Okay, still we need a direction. We need gold below 3300 for some selling pressure, or 3250 for some selling pressure, or we need gold above 3450 for some buying pressure. As long as gold remains in this range, there will be no clear direction, and daily chart is the best, okay, best example here. Okay, and whatever we have discussed, okay, may not be very major levels, okay, but as a day trader with proper risk management, you can look for some trading opportunities. And if any new opportunities comes up, I will update in the Telegram community. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, if you want some good trades, you want a very tight spot, look for opportunities outside gold.